We're cutting across to pictures coming in of Congress MP Rahul Gandhi meeting with migrant workers in Delhi. These are pictures from the capital Sukhdev Vihar. Earlier in the day, in fact, Rahul Gandhi had spoken out on the stimulus package and urged the centre to go ahead and provide direct cash transfer to the poor, also making a mention of the migrant workers. The Congress has been very critical of how the government has dealt with the migrant crisis, and now you have Rahul Gandhi there in Sukhdev Vihar wearing a mask, maintaining some distance from these migrant workers and interacting with them, trying to understand their woes and their plight. This comes at a time when Rahul Gandhi has been very vocal in the last few weeks in saying that the government hasn't been doing enough to financially help these migrant workers. He's been proposing that there should be a direct cash transfer to these migrant workers to ensure that they do have funds if they want to head home, or at least to take care of their daily needs.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.